Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung Tap3, the charging port. It's a flex cable. So you can see all the flex cable here. This is easy forward to change, not really hard job. The only thing is you need to remove the back case. As you can see, I opened a little bit and it's just got clips, connections, so you just need to loosen it out. And just be careful so the T doesn't break the connection on the back case. As you can see, they just come off right easy. That's it, one's off. As you can see, the charging port is right here, just a flex cable. Straightforward, just connect to the board, and the flex is here. That's all you do. So let's go ahead, and it's only got 2 screws, as you can see. So only open the screws. Make sure you put these 2 screws down somewhere nice, somewhere that you know, because otherwise the flex, the DC jack. The next thing, just remove this tape. Here you go. Just lift it up, and this should come right on. But be careful. Just lift it up. Let's just remove it, unclip, drag it down. This Samsung Tap3, it's got a mic with a flex. As you can see, there's a mic there and a connection to the screen, to the board actually. So but you don't see it, it's hidden underneath there. You can either unscrew everything out and then get access. I just find the easy way of just lifting this thing up, the plastic bit up, and trying to get through underneath there. So, but you need to be careful. It's pretty tricky. Just lift it up, and then hopefully, and there's a clip there, so you have to unclip it. There's a clip there, you need to unclip it. As you can see, it comes right out. It looks pretty easy, but you need to be careful, because you can either damage this flex you buy and the connection on the screen as well, you can damage it. This connection connecting to the board. So the next thing we do is just slide in there. Slide in there and make sure the connection is actually in the same there where it's supposed to be sitting. The next thing we do is just remove this metal case. the glue that's holding it down. There you go. And then just clip it back in. Make sure the holes are in the right place. And then just clip this on back in there and close it. And then just put the clip back as it is. As you can see, that's all you do. Thanks for watching, and make sure, don't forget the screws underneath there. So thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, give me a thumbs up.